Welcome to Graceland Online Tutorial. Today's topic is solving quadratic equations using factorization 2. Solving quadratic equations using factorization 2. Before we go ahead, I would like our viewers to please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Graceland Tutorial. Like the video and share the video. Thanks. Now back to our tutorial. The first question there, solve 3h squared plus h is equal to 0. Now let's look at the solution. 3h squared plus h is equal to 0. To solve this, you have to factorize 3h squared plus h. Now, what is common in both? What is common in 3h squared and then in plus h? What is common there is h. So h will be outside the bracket. Then h in 3h squared is going to be 3h. For instance, look at it. H will cancel the square, leaving what? The h. So you are going to have 3h plus h in h is 1. So what we have is h into 3h plus 1 is equal to 0. Now from here we have h is equal to 0, or 3h plus 1 will be equal to 0. Now since h is equal to 0, that's the answer to that. Now to get the answer to the second equation, that will be 3h plus 1, which is equal to 0. So 3h, you collect the like terms, 3h will be equal to 0 minus 1. The plus 1 will move to the other side and turn to minus 1. So 3h will be equal to minus 1. To solve 3h is equal to minus 1, you divide both sides by 3. So therefore you have h is equal to minus 1 over 3. So therefore, the final answer is going to be h is equal to 0, or h is equal to minus 1 over 3. Let's look at the second question. Solve the equation 25y squared is equal to 9. Very easy. You have 25y squared is equal to 9. This implies that 25y squared minus 9 will be equal to 0. Meaning that when you bring the plus 9 to the other side, at the left hand side, is going to give you minus 9, which is equal to 0. Now, the 25y squared will now be, the 25 there will be 5 squared, and then you have y squared, minus the 9 will turn to 3 squared, which is equal to 0. So, the 5 squared y squared will now be 5y altogether squared, minus 3 squared is equal to 0. This is an example of difference between two squared. Do not forget that a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Now, therefore, using this a squared minus b squared, This is going to be 5y minus 3 into 5y plus 3, which is equal to 0. Therefore, 5y minus 3 will be equal to 0, or 5y plus 3 will be equal to 0. 5y minus 3 is equal to 0, or 5y plus 3 will be equal to 0. Then, collect the items. 5y will be equal to 0, then minus 3 moves to the other side and turns to plus 3. Or 5y will be equal to 0, plus 3 moves to the other side and turns to minus 3. So 5y will be equal to 0 plus 3 will be plus 3, or 5y will be equal to 0 minus 3, that will give us minus 3. Now to solve y in both equations, you divide both sides by 5. So in the first equation, y will be equal to plus 3 over 5. Or in the second equation, y will be equal to minus 3 over 5. So at the end of the day, the final answer will be equal to y is equal to plus or minus 3 over 5. That brings us to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Please, our viewers, subscribe to our YouTube channel at Graceland Tutorial. Like the video and share the video. Success is yours. Bye for now.